Hello and welcome to Peter's Box. Today I'm with a very fine gentleman who works in the FinTech space. So what does FinTech really mean? Is it an abbreviation for something?
Yes, so FinTech is a combination of two words, finance and technology. It's not just limited to the finance and technology industry. You hear other industries doing the same thing. So trying to deliver healthcare with technology is now called health tech. Trying to deliver education via technology is called edutech. So FinTech just becomes that variation of finance and technology. So you can consider that every institution has a FinTech element to it. But typically when somebody talks about a FinTech, it's a company or institution dedicated to providing a financial services leveraging only technology. The difference between what the banks do is that the banks' primary channels are still their branches, at least for now. In the developed worlds, now they are evolving where they are beginning to reduce the number of branches and they are beginning to take their digitized platforms as the branches. So they replicate everything that you could have done in the branch on their digital platform. The traditional bank still maintains the brick and mortar structures. And a traditional fintech would not go the route of any brick and mortar. They would be entirely digital. So the best example you could give in Ghana is that MTN Mobile Money has now separated the mobile money arm to be a standalone institution. So mobile money is a typical example of a fintech service where you now have the ease of use, the convenience. You can do mobile money without ever having to go to an MTN branch. But fintech is an umbrella term. So fintech can be considered in the same way you would consider finance. You can find somebody with a law background working in a financial institution because they have a legal department. You could find somebody with a procurement background because they're working in a procurement division of the financial institution. It's the same with FinTech. That is in 2008 when there was a global financial crisis, when a lot of people lost money because they had put so much confidence in the banks and they realized that the banks were doing illegal trades and everybody lost their money. In Ghana, the similar situation would be the 2019 banking sector cleanup. Now people were confused. Where do I actually keep the money? Because the institution that we're taught to trust is the one losing our money. If I keep it under my bed, I'm worried about robbery and all of that. And so that's how come Bitcoin emerged as the alternative that was not owned by the government, owned by any individual. It was basically you putting your trust in technology and the network of people who are makers and sharers. And from that, others also started evolving that. And look at the bank. The way you make payments is so efficient. If I don't have a bank account, I can't send money. So somebody builds a business around just the payment aspect. That's similar to what ZPay would be